Hello and welcome. In this tutorial you will learn how you can make this type of PCB layout just like the other one we have here. This is the SMD and this is THT PCB layout. How you can make it. Let's get started. Hello, welcome to another video series. In this tutorial series I will be teaching you how you can design your own PCB layout and how you can send an order to fabricate it for you. So I will not waste your time and let's get started. Go to the website, the EasyEDA website, which is mainly used for simulation and PCB designing. And you open this website, you have to make an account on this website in order to get full access to its features. And when you logged in successfully, go to this button, EasyEDA Designer, click on that and you will see there is a bunch of options on this website, and don't get distracted by that. When you open this website you will see a bunch of options on this left side, and there are some messages and you don't have to worry about it. Just go to the EasyEDA standard mode. As you can see there, when you click on EasyEDA Designer you will see a standard mode. It says that STD, that means it's standard mode. When you click on change to simulation mode it will change into sim, so that means it's in a simulation. So we go to the standard mode, and first of all that what you have to do is to set it up a few things when you start up, and you have to do it every time when you are making a new PCB layout. This is an introductory video and I will keep this tutorial short, and further I will make more tutorials about it, how you can add further components if there is any component is not mentioned in the list, how you can make your own component or PCB or IC, something like that. And let's just start it. Click on this new project button, or you can go to files and new project, but I will click on this. You can also install this EasyEDA software in your laptop or PC, but it will not work offline. I suggest you should use in a browser online, so you can get updated features all the time. So just click on new project. When you click on a new project, your owner, okay, you can also create a team. I will go make another the next tutorial for how you can create a team and you can work together and collaborate on any project. So first of all, you have to type the title. I will just type simple circuit, and this is its path, and I will write some description about this circuit. This is my first tutorial about a simple circuit for YouTube on my channel. So this is the first tutorial and first circuit, simple circuit. So you have to click on save. When you save it, when it's successfully done, you will see here, as you can see, simple circuit, and you will get this a file. So this is the sheet where you will be working on, and if I want to zoom in, you cannot just rotate mouse wheel to zoom in and zoom out. When you rotate it, the sheet will go up and down. So in order to zoom, you have to press Ctrl and then rotate the wheel. You will be able to zoom. Here you can change the sheet title. Let's just say a simple circuit. So you will remember your company name. You can change it to uh, Waqas Farooq. This is my channel name. As you know, I'm just making it, giving it a name. There is also a designer name which is showing here, Waqas Farooq, already drawn by. And sheet 1, you can add multiple sheets. Let's get started. First of all, you have to, if you want to decrease the size of the sheet, you can also change the size of this sheet as well. If you, here you can see it's a A4. You can just use customize size and change its dimension, landscape, portrait, width, height. You can change both, but I'm using A4, just standard size. But our PCB is the circuit diagram will not be that bigger. So first of all, you have to go to this left side, and here we have the simple circuit. Sheet is added. Now we have to go to file and click on save, or you can simply press Ctrl S. Here you can see we have sheet 1 added. You can also rename it by clicking on modify, simple circuit sheet, and you can type description here. I'm just leaving it blank. Click OK, and now you have to go to EE library, where you can get all the components that you want. So let's just say we will get an resistor. So there are different types of resistor: axial resistor or SMD. These are the SMD resistors, and these are the axial, which are THT resistor. If you don't know the SMD and THT resistors, you can search it online. So I will be using this resistor, and click on it and place it on the sheet right here. Okay, it's 1 kilo ohm. You can just always change its values. From here you can change the text, okay, from the right side menu. Okay, that's not a big deal. And now move on, and you can select this LED. This is THT LED, and these are the simple LEDs, SMD. And I will be adding this LED right here. And what else we need? We need battery. You can also search battery, or there are some, let's just select the battery. This is the battery CR122. You can also change its value, but change the component which one you want to use, but I'm using standard one, and I will just place it here. And one other thing, we can add switch if you want, but I think I will leave it like this. Let me place it here. Now we have to, I'm zooming in by pressing Control and rotating the wheel of mouse. So let's connect these components. To connect these components, you have to select the wire, and here we have the wire. But if you cannot find the wire, you can click on this bus, or simple this line, or you can just press the W for wire and connect from this to the battery terminal, and from here you can connect to the negative terminal of the LED, and from here to here, and click OK. Sorry, and you are good to go. Now click on this hand and move this resistor a little bit here by using arrow key. You can place the resistor right here, and now connect this resistor with wire like this, and from here to here. Now our circuit diagram is complete. Now we have to press Ctrl S to save it, or you can go to file and press save. It will be saved. Okay, now here we have the sheet 1. Now go to designs, and there are some other options. We will go through it, like this place wire, bus, all the everything is here. So you can select the wire by just pressing the W button. But now I will go to design and click on convert to PCB. Now click on this convert to PCB, or you can just press Ctrl Alt P. So I will click on this. Now we have the PCB, and now you will see another PCB size unit, which is I will be using millimeters, which is our measurement tool. And copper layers, I will use a simple 1 layer. You can use uh, 2 layers, 4 layers, up to 34 layers PCB, but I'm using 2 layers. And rectangular shape, you can change circular, you can rounded rectangular or custom. I will use rectangular, simple as that, or we can make a circular shape if you want, and I will change it to, and this is X place and Y place on the graph, as you can see on the background. I will just change into plus 50, and there is a different height for this. I will click on apply. As you can see, we have this purple box and all the components here we have. So I will place this. You can change the size later as well. As you can see, there are 2 white lines. This is the origin, so we have to place this on origin by moving it with arrow keys. Okay, and let's just zoom in. Same process, pressing Control and rotating mouse wheel. So we have this battery. I will place this battery right here. We have the LED. I will place this LED here. We have the resistor. So this is not just a proper way, so let's just rotate by pressing R. You can rotate this resistor. I will place this resistor right here. We have the LED here. As you can see, now it's now this looking symmetrical. Let's just move this LED a little bit up, and we can adjust 2 components together by moving up and down. Okay, now as you can see, this is our PCB size. This is purple line, and these are our components. We can also resize this PCB, and select everything and move it down close to origin. Okay, now what I will do, just press Control S to save the process that you have done, and let me just zoom in. Here we have two pairs of this battery and these resistors and this LED. So I will place this pad right here and one right here for soldering, and you can also make them, these are rounded shape, you can also make them rectangular right from here. You can also change its width, like it's 3.0 mm, and I will change its 3.0, and you can make it rectangular or circular shape, whatever you like. And now we have this LED and this resistor. To move on, we will connect this component with wire. So we have to select the wire. This is the wire or track. Click on it, and you can also change its width of this wire by pressing tab button. As we are drawing it, click on tab, and here we can change its width. I will change it to 0.500 mm. Okay, now the thickness of this wire is changed. I will connect here with the battery, and I will draw again right here, and from here on to this LED. So this is the wire that we have on top layer. Okay, after this, what we will do, if we want to add some text here, like labeling these components or something else, so just click on this top silk layer and click on this text, place the text here, and change the text by clicking simple PCB and click on the set part place. So it's taking a lot of place, so we can move this text by changing the size. Click on this text, click on R to rotate, and move this text towards the edge right here. Now everything looks cool. Now Control S to save everything. Here we, as you can see, we have the simple circuit. Now we have PCB layout, and now we have to see if this circuit, how it will look like in a 3D view. So click on this 3D view, or simple you can go there and 3D model. Just click on this 3D view button, click on it. Here we have, this is the battery, and here we have the resistor and the LED, and this is our text. You can check the back side. As you can see, this is a soldering pad we added, and here we have circular pad and rectangular pad. But if you want to remove those, I will just delete them, and this will be on a top layer. So you just press save and click on 3D view. You will get a 3D view. So this is, as these all are the SMD components, and on the bottom you will not see any pad. Okay, this is a simple circuit or PCB layout you can make. Or if you want to see all the layers separately, and you can change the thickness of PCB board, like 0.5 you can change the thickness as well, and but I think 1.6 mm is very appropriate. 1.6 mm. Okay, on the bottom you can see there is a distance, layer distance, so you can change the layer distance like 2.0 and click on this canvas. As you can see, you can check every layer separately. As you can see, this is a bottom layer, this is a PCB, and these are the copper tracks, and the top silk layer, text, and all the components are raised at a certain level. So you can bring back to by just changing into 0, and they will merge together. This is how you can make a simple PCB circuit and check how it will look like in a 3D view. This is the old 3D view and this is the new one. So first you have to make a simple circuit diagram, then a PCB layout, and in the 3D view you can check how actually everything will look like. So this is how you can make everything more simply understandable. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel, and I will make further videos as your request. Further moving into this tutorial, as I have mentioned, these are the SMD components. As you can see, these are the surface mounted devices, so we can change them into THT devices. Like if I want to change this resistor, we have to go to the circuit diagram. Here I will delete this resistor and LED, and from the EE library I will select this resistor, which is axial resistor, and bring it right here. And on LED I will select 5 mm LED and click on it and bring it right here. I have changed these components. Just click on Control Save, go to PCB layout and click on Save right here, and now you will click on this 3D view. As you can see, this is axial resistor, an LED, and a battery. We have to create a convert this also into a PCB layout. Convert to PCB, Control S, and now control press Alt P, or you can simply go to the design, and here we have to do the same process and click apply. We have all the components right there. Place the battery here, move the LED here. We have the resistor. We can also rotate this LED like this. We can rotate this resistor as well right there. We can rotate this battery by pressing R. So this is a simple way to make this circuit, and we can add, now we have to add the wires just by clicking on this icon, and from here we can add wires. You can also change its path of the wires, and you can also change its thickness if you want. And we have, these are the through hole components. Okay, so I will add text again right here, but this will not be visible because we haven't selected any top scale layer. Click on this. Now click on text, place text here, change the text by simple tht compo tht pcb. We have the text here. Just click, pressing rotate, you can rotate the whole text, place it here. Now press Ctrl S to save. Now as you can see, this is the surface mounted device. Now we have changed these LEDs, and now click on 3D view. On the 3D view, you can see this is a simple regular resistor, an LED, and battery mount. This is the PCB layout we have. We also have this. You can also change the board color to green. Okay, you can use surface pins like soldering pads to silver. Okay, this is, we have the silver. You can change it to gold. This is the option you also have. So you have plenty of things to play with. Okay, we have both 3D views. And next time I will show you further steps how you can make this.